HydroClean Cleanser is a daily use cleanser to be used morning and night. To apply the product, take a pea-sized amount and lather it up in wet hands. Massage into the face and then remove with tepid damp sponges. PHA renewal scrub can be used 2 to 4 times a week in the evening. To use the scrub, take a pea-sized amount using wet hands, apply it to the skin and leave it on the skin to work for 2 minutes. To remove the scrub, use tepid damp sponges. To ensure all seeds have been removed, you may need to wipe over the skin twice.